Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is December 14th, 2018. This is the last Friday of the 2018 school year that we will be in school. It's pretty exciting, isn't it? This weekend in math, have a happy weekend. In science, we have a Newton's Law book that we are working on. It's on Google Slides. That is our homework this weekend. We also have a motion and forces test coming up on Tuesday. Please study your notes from Google Classroom. In social studies, hopefully we got our Mesopotamia project done in our groups. If not, that needs to be finished over the weekend. In language arts and literature, there is no homework. Also, make sure you passed out the paper last night to your parents that discusses the holiday party / get-together movie that we're going to be watching next Thursday during school. You may bring in snacks to share with others, and you also may bring in a 20-ounce drink for yourself. It can be no larger than 20 ounces, and it cannot be an energy drink. That's it for today. Have a great weekend.